It's essential to note that if you involve a lawyer before charges are filed, they can't accompany you during official investigations or interviews. Whether you consult a lawyer immediately or later, here are some points to help you navigate the investigation process and respond more effectively if you are being investigated for a criminal or other offense in Singapore. Facing an investigation for an offence in Singapore can be a daunting experience, whether the allegation is a serious criminal matter or a minor traffic incident. In such situations, understanding the investigation process and your rights is crucial. Investigations are a standard component of legal proceedings in Singapore. They encompass many cases, from serious cases including murder and rape to less severe offences such as traffic violations. Regardless of the nature of the offence, seeking legal advice promptly is highly advisable, and engaging a lawyer early on can help to provide valuable insights into the potential charges you might face and the possible defences available to you. Many people often delay consulting a lawyer until after being formally charged. And while this isn't necessarily wrong, seeking legal guidance as soon as you become aware of the investigation can be prudent, especially if you believe you might have committed the alleged offence. Suppose you firmly believe in your innocence and have evidence supporting it. In that case, taking proactive steps to make these points known can significantly help your situation. Gather evidence. If you have concrete evidence proving your absence at the location of the alleged crime, act swiftly to secure it. This may include obtaining CCTV footage from nearby sources or engaging potential witnesses. Collaborate with witnesses. Approach potential witnesses who can vouch for your innocence and cooperate with the investigators. However, remember not to coerce or tamper with these witnesses, which could lead to further legal complications. Site visits. If the crime scene is relevant to your case, visiting it and capturing photographs can help your lawyer understand the context and events better. Use technology. Your mobile applications and records could provide data indicating your location during the alleged offence. Building access records, in-vehicle unit data, and electronic transaction records can also be used as evidence. Interacting with the victim. Avoid direct contact with the victim because physical meetings could escalate into conflicts or be misinterpreted as intimidation. Intermediaries should also be employed even if you intend to apologize or return something. Being transparent. During investigations, the police are entitled to request your full name, home address, and NRIC number, and refusing to provide this information could lead to further charges against you. Language considerations. If you are required to provide a statement, bear in mind that the recording will likely be in English. If you face language difficulties, communicate this to the investigators promptly. The importance of being honest at all times. Always tell the truth when interacting with the authorities, because lying could result in additional offences such as giving false information to public servants, and some consequences of dishonesty include fines or even imprisonment. Balancing rights relating to self-incrimination and adverse inferences. While you can withhold self-incriminating information during your statements, your silence might lead to an adverse inference in court later on. Suppose you raise a defense in court that you didn't mention during your investigation. In that case, the judge might view it with more suspicion. Polygraph tests. The police might also request a polygraph test or a lie detector test, even though the results aren't admissible in court. Declining to take such a test might result in an adverse inference being drawn against you, sometimes. Understanding your rights. During interviews or statement taking, you have the right to request to certain things, such as food, drinks, and toilet breaks. You can seek medical attention, and you can have each request officially recorded. Ask for amendments or even deletions in your statement as well. Preserving your statement for your lawyer. If you've been charged or anticipate charges, writing down your statement accurately can significantly help your lawyer. This written account can help your lawyer build a stronger case for your defense. Ultimately, facing an investigation can be an unsettling experience. However, knowing your rights, seeking legal counsel early, and presenting a clear case can significantly impact the outcome of your situation. Remember, a well-informed approach is your best asset when navigating the complexities of a criminal investigation in Singapore. So, now you know. If you found this helpful and would like to hear more, check out our other content and subscribe to our channel now.